Madeline, and also language instructor. Today I'm going to teach you about past progressive. Dans ça, utilisé pour parler des actions qui sont faites dans un moment spécifique dans le temps passé. Formule pour utiliser temps passé progressif, c'est si j'ai, plus was ou soit were, plus verbe avec ing, plus complément. Nous utilisons was avec I, he, she, it. Et puis were avec we, you, they. On voit que j'ai marché avec phrase affirmative, négative, avec question. Affirmative. The receptionist was organizing the bookings when the new guests arrived. They were greeting the guests. Négatif. Pour faire négatif, nous mettons not après was ou soit were. Pour qu'à utiliser contraction wasn't ou soit weren't. The manager was not, wasn't checking the reports when the restaurant called. The housekeepers were not, weren't cleaning the rooms. Question. Was the staff cleaning the rooms at 3 p.m.? Yes, the staff was cleaning the rooms. Were the guests drinking at the bar? No, they were not. Weren't drinking at the bar. They were swimming in the pool. To see more useful content like this, check out the other resources we have for you. Thank you for learning with us. See you in the next lesson.